In this lesson, we'll learn about daily routine vocabulary with sentences. At the end of the lesson, we have a quiz.
It's me, Lily. I am 30 years old and live in a big city by the sea in the Middle East. If I want to describe myself in a few sentences, I am a quiet girl who loves to rest and be in nature, and also likes meditation and cycling. Now that you know me a little, come with me to see a day in my life. Ride a bicycle. I sometimes go to work by bicycle. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 5 years old. Work? I'm computer engineer and I usually work on computers. Work. I work from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That means I work 9 hours a day and it makes me tired. Have a break time. At work, we have two break times for coffee. First one is at 10:30 a.m. It takes 15 minutes. Continue. For busy days, I continue working until lunchtime. Have lunch. I have lunch with my colleagues at a nearby cafe. Go back. I go back to the work after lunch and continue working. Have a break time. At work, we have two break times for coffee. Second one is at 4 p.m. It takes 15 minutes. Finish. My work finish at 6 p.m. and I prepare to go home. Go home. When I don't come to work by bike, that days I go home by bus. Arrive. I arrive home at 7 p.m. as usual. Cook. After washing my hands and drinking tea, I will be ready to cook dinner. Set the table. After making dinner, I set the table and begin to eat. Eat. I often eat dinner around 8:30 p.m. Do the dishes. After dinner, I do all the dishes. Clean up. I clean up everywhere and tidy the dishes. Sweep floor. I sweep the floor and do household chores. Watch TV. I watch TV and check my phone at the same time for 30 minutes. Pack. I pack my lunch and snack box before sleep. Floss teeth. After brush my teeth, I usually floss my teeth. Listen. My favorite hobby is listening to audiobooks, which I do that twice a day in the morning and before bed. Sleep. Finally, it's time to sleep. I usually sleep on my back. My beautiful day. Now finished, and I'll be ready for the next day. God has new messages and gifts for us at the beginning of each day. I find that in happiness and peace with everyone and everything. What's your opinion?
According to the video, which one is correct? 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 If this video was useful for you, please subscribe us, like and share the video.